So, I do. Just out for a little bit of a wander. Gonna find a little place to cook up a steak and have a coffee. Just by the river here. See if I can find somewhere nice. That'll be lovely. I'll see you in a little bit. So, on my way down, I never look a gift horse in the mouth. I've been collecting some dried dead standing. Everywhere's soaked. So, this will help me get my little firebox going. Doing it in the firebox. Just because, why not? Well, actually, I've got some new bits that I want to show you and see how they work to make this, well, to cook this steak on. Nice little griddle plate. So, hopefully it'll all go well. So this fire's been extremely hard to get lit. I've got to the point of where I nearly give up, and I saw a post on Facebook. Just someone had written the inscription as "Don't give up hope," and I just remember it came into my head. So I just persevered and I made more shavings and I tried everything down to my last bit. And hard work pays off, mate. Keep it going. Never give up. Kettle's on. I'll get that coffee made. And then I've got this here from Andes off of, actually I think it was Amazon, $9.99. Nice little griddle. I can put it on rocks around a fire, use it for a million one things, but I've cut some slots into those. So once the tea's made, I'm going to put this across there and slap my steak on it. Tidy. Oh, and I've got a new chair off my daughter for my birthday, which is brilliant. Have a look at this. Now, the kettle's boiling, I do believe. Oh, yes. I just stoked that up. So, there's already some heat, but look at that. Marinated in some pepper and Lime Perrins, both sides. And I like it quite rare, so this is going to be delicious. One side's done. I do like mine rare, so I've got to be careful. I need to get this off here quick, pretty damn quick. Right, just let that rest before I carve it up, and I'm going to put it in a wrap. Let's just try this. Ooh. Down with a lovely coffee. Happy days, can't beat it. I'll chuck this in the wrap. It's just so juicy. I actually wanna look at that, perfectly cooked. Happy days. Look at that. Gonna sit and have my coffee and my wrap. So I guess you can say that's a wrap. Boom. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. See you later.